So let's do a walk through Harmony 1 here in Tilal al Ghaf. It's April and I just really wanted to show you what community life looks like when you're choosing to buy a villa in or a townhouse in a community like this. It's very family. Just passing the swimming pool and the gym facilities for all the residents and owners here in Harmony 1. Check this out. What I love is, yes, we even have lifeguards on duty. I mean, it is now sunset, so most people are probably having their lunch, their dinner, their supper, but look at this, it's just so nice for kids. They're busy on their skates. There's like a kid-friendly pool here. They're busy at the, it's got his little, whoops. It's just really, really nice for all the kids, all the facilities. I'm trying not to get run over by these kiddies. But for those of you looking for family-friendly communities, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Full of life here in Dubai, full of life in Harmony, in the community. So, you know, if you're watching and you're a family and you're wondering, gosh, you know, I want to know more about how is Dubai right now? What's everyone doing? Yes, we're online learning in the mornings because the kids have to be at home doing their online learning. The schools are closed at the moment with all this conflict, but you know, life goes on here. If you want some more details about what is available, this is definitely turned to a buyer's market, as you can imagine. There are some incredible deals out there. I think we've only got a very small window of opportunity, and then things are going to be very, very different very, very soon. So if you're looking, or you have been looking and you didn't yet buy, well, you have found the most opportunist moment. Don't miss out, be fast. If you are a mortgage buyer, you need to be really, really quick at getting approved. If you're a cash buyer, you literally are king right now, or queen. And I'd love to help you more. So check out my contact details below in the video, and I'd love to help you. Take care.